Hello my friends and welcome back again to the channel. In this video, I've got you something really helpful, right? A feature on your iPhone that might be really helpful for you guys, especially for those who have iPhone 16 Max, 15 Max, all the Max iPhones because they are larger in size and it is somehow, sometimes, annoying for some people to swipe down from the top right corner, right? Because the device is larger than the usual one, right? So, for this, right, you can tap right on this little icon, which is just like an app icon, right? And you can put it in the dock, right? Because you can get it easily whenever, even if you like swipe between like different home pages. Now for this, guys, you go to the shortcuts, right, and tap on the little right plus icon on the top right corner, right, and search for right, just type control center, right, and here we go, show control center, right. Now before we add it or tap on done, right, we have some other options you can change. Now tap on this little down arrow, you will be able to rename it, right. I'll just keep it shoe control center, so it's up to you. And tap again, right, choose the icon, so it's up to you, right. So I'm gonna go with one of the icons available here. Let's just be quick. All right, which one? Okay, I'm gonna go with this one. All right, yeah, you can choose, and then I'll be able to even change the color, right. Let me go with this one, right, and done. And then tap on done, right. Now it's been added right to the shortcuts. Now tap on the three dots available right here, right, and then tap on this icon and then add to home screen, right. Now add. Here we go. Now it's been added to the home screen. If I tap on it, here we go again, guys. It's control center, right. Let's go back and try again. Tap on it, control center. Without swiping down right with your fingers from the top right corner, you can do this. If it is helpful, share with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't so far for more content like this one. See you next time.